Hello everyone, it is the beginning of April and I am your personal trainer and I am here to encourage you not to exercise. It's silly really. Please stay seated. I've been sitting all day and I can't even feel my butt anymore. I've got my M&Ms, I've got my Lindt chocolate truffles, Ghirardelli. So please enjoy this video because I will give you tips on how to avoid exercise completely at all costs and to live a probably shorter life, but you gotta die someday. This is full of fat and sugar. This is a chocolate truffle, white chocolate. Just stay seated, just stay there and watch the video. And I'd love to hear your comments on how you avoid exercise at all costs. Okay, so I'm sitting here with Joe. Thank God we're sitting on a bench and everything because it's a nice warm day out. We don't want to waste our time actually exerting ourselves. But what's that thing?
Oh, that is a bicycle. I have my carrying case. I have all my goodies here.
Oh,
and,
what's it got? 2 wheels?
Absolutely. And I just wanted to come out because there's a new line of power bars and I was dying to try them.
Oh.
So here I am enjoying the Schuylkill River, the sun, and my power bar.
Oh, it's all about the power bar.
And shortly down the road, from what I hear, there's a place for ice cream, and I just can't wait to get there.
Oh, thank God. Yeah. Well, you want your ice cream like every day.
Yep.
I say like every hour.
One time I took my bicycle, that thing there, to Maine. They have outrageous blueberry ice cream up there. And that's a reason to go up there.
Oh, to Maine for biking.
No, for ice cream.
You can also lower your blood pressure by walking at least a half hour a day, a few times a week. But you know, I don't know about you, but I like my blood pressure nice and high because high numbers are what I'm all about. These bikers, they're wasting their time. Oh, I've got this really colorful 5-pound weight. It goes with my whole tiki hut room decor. It's a really pretty color. But look what it's good for. So the beer is not going to roll off the table now. I got this nice 15-pound weight. It's for the heavier doors. You just, you know, put it there and yeah.
Oh my. Have you been eating a lot of sugar? Your mouth is full of cavities.
I'm just, I'm resting. It feels great. Don't get up. Just stay where you are. It's so good. I mean, I sat all day, so I figured it's about time I lie down and just rest, and I'm about to have my snack. You'll enjoy just not doing anything. Exercise, it's just silly. It's crazy. Maybe I'll take a nap.